It is really raining. It is really raining. Name a song. Name a song that has rain in it. Stars may come. Yeah, I'm standing outside looking at the rain, y'all. Rain is a beautiful thing because it keeps us inside and it keeps us close to family. Look at my baby soaking wet. Oh. I told you you should have wore your coat.
Oh, man.
Told you. You soaking wet. Look at you. Soaked.
I'm tired.
You ran in the rain.
Yeah, everybody walking out with.
Soaking wet, ain't you?
If I was walking, I could have been even more soaked.
I'm glad you didn't walk there. Can you stand up? Oh, that rain is coming down, too. You breathing hard. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Yeah, because Kay had a cookie.
You had a cupcake?
It's her birthday tomorrow, too.
Oh, your birthday. Can you stand the rain? Stars may come. This is no sure. Yeah, it's cold, man. It's raining. Everybody inside is cold. It's raining. Everybody having an in-home recess. People that don't go to school no more have inside at-home recess. Can you stand the rain? The sounds of rain makes us sleep. Say what? Can you stand? Storms may come, and this is no sure. Boy, it's good in the rain. Can you stand? My baby has to run home. It is cold and rainy. Love unconditional. Oh. Nobody is not outside. Not in this area anyway. Can you stand the rain? The sound of rain is supposed to make people sleep and take naps. That's why a lot of people don't even get up. This baby making time. He's so soaking wet. Well, right about now, son, there's a lot of babies being made right now. They too busy in bed doing the huckabuck. Doing the huckabuck, baby. Can you stand up? The rain is really coming down. Can you stand the rain? There's another song that I forgot that has the song Rain in it. I know the one that can't stand the rain. I seen that lightning. It's just a rainy day. Yeah, it is. And it's a lot of people doing the huckabuck, staying in bed. I seen that lightning. I'm scared. Your mama said, turn off all the TVs. It's raining outside. Turn off all them TVs. Turn the sound. Turn the volume down. Sit your ass down somewhere. Sit down somewhere. Be like, oh, mama, it's that tastes good. What you doing, Keisha? Right now we have an in-home recess. What you call it? Inside recess. Can you stand up? Love unconditional. Y'all hear that sound of rain? Sound of rain down the window pane. Look at that water. With the water just hitting the pavement. You see the sounds of rain. My nerve is coming up. I'm waiting on somebody. I'm waiting on somebody. What you say, Tamarion? Thought you said something. I need to stop putting some Febreze in your room. Yeah. She had to walk in the rain too.